Tonight we are replacing the cooler door at the Longhorn Sandy Springs. We have to move the door out about 6 inches from where it sits right now, and we're going to build a frame around it to make sure that it's secure.
So we gotta strip everything off for us to build this whole frame up for it to come out. Tile, everything. Every screw, every nut, every bolt, every wire, all the way through. We gotta rerun all the electrical. We gotta put new solar digital thermostat in there. We replaced all the LED lights, all the lights with LED lights.
And a fan.
And a fan motor, yeah. I guess our end game is that when the manager and the assistant manager walks in tomorrow, they drop their jaw and blow their socks off. That this is something that they've been wanting to do for a long, long time.